Let's open the drawer and see what's inside. Ooh, a Justin H. Friends Nature Notebook. What a perfect design. Alright, are you ready for our nature game of Kipper's Clues? You are? Great. To play Kipper's Clues, we gotta find a paw print. Oh, a paw print, right. Cause that's our first clue. Yeah, a clue. And we put it in our notebook. Put it in our notebook, cause there's clues, Kipper's Clues. We gotta find another paw print, cause that's the second clue. Put it in our notebook, cause there is clues, Kipper's Clues. We gotta find the last paw print, that's the third clue. Put it in our notebook, cause there is clues, Kipper's Clues. You know what to do. Sit down in our thinking rock, and think simply. Cause when you use your mind, take a step at a time. You can do anything, woohoo, that you want to do. Come on, let's go. We are looking for Kipper's Clues. Cause it's a really great day.
A clue! A clue!
Yeah, it really is such a nice day to be outside today. Especially for searching clues.
No, a clue!
Oh, you see a clue. Oh, on those shapes. These shapes must be our first clue to what Kipper wants to do outside. You know what we need, our Justin H. handy dandy, naturistic
Notebook!
notebook, right. So, these shapes. I'll start with a circle. And then a shape like the letter X. And a swirl. There, shapes. So what do you think Kipper wants to do outside, with shapes? Yeah, good thinking. But let's find two more clues, just to be sure. Come on, let's see how everyone's enjoying this nature day.